Hello everybody, it's Peter the Rock. Up in the sky there is a plane. Nothing remarkable about that, but they move so slowly. In fact, there are two planes, one in front of the other, going in parallel. It's interesting. How on earth did that happen? The one nearest me looks like it's taking off. Let's get another close-up. Because it's kind of pointing upwards. The one behind it, which I can't see in the close-up, is it's gone. I wonder if that was an optical illusion. That's strange. Well, when I have a look at the video, I'll find out. The main reason I'm doing this is Peter the Rock. It's Sunday the 2nd of November, is because I'm on a walk from Amersham to Chesham. And it's just a beautifully empty walk today. Nobody about. It's rather cold. This field is amazingly, on the 2nd of November, planted with a crop which is beginning to show. Now, I can't really understand why it's been planted this early. You can sort of see the sun behind the hedge there. It's only about 2:40 in the afternoon, and already evening is drawing in, and we've still got nearly 2 months to go before the minimum daylight day. Over there, I think, is a school and a playing field. If you do come this way, which is to sort of walk across the fields way from Amersham to Chesham, don't go through the school playing fields way, because I've been there a couple of times, and at this end, this far end, the left end as I look at it straight ahead, there's sort of an almost unclimbable amount of clutter, old rubbish, metal, all sorts, just dumped there, and it's really quite difficult to negotiate. Though of course I did, because I don't think I've ever had to retrace my steps. I better not say that now, because that could easily be the case at any time. People have a habit sometimes, very rarely, of closing off pathways like this with clutter, barbed wire, old fence posts, that sort of thing, which is what happened to me last weekend. And having walked nearly 3 miles to get to that point, I was not going to go back, so I somehow clambered over it. See the video, which I don't think I've posted yet, but I will do soon. It's a lovely little through way to the next field there. I'm not tempted to do that, but given that there is absolutely nothing going on, no trains, no people, just a plane and another plane up there going by now, it's remarkable that I can find so much to talk about. Anyway, I do appreciate you lasting out 3+ minutes. It's Peter the Rock. It's a Sunday afternoon. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.